Rightio, so here are the mighty King drawers, Titan drawers, ready to go in. Good morning guys, rightio, this is what we're going to do today. The faithful Titan drawers. Alright, let's see how we go, eh? So once you open them up, inside the drawers, it's the faithful instructions and your bits and bobs. So what I've seen, I know you've got to take the tops off, slide the drawers out, get the carcass out, and then we'll throw it in. Alright, a handy tip is I just cut the Allen key to put in my drill. It's supposed to come with one, but didn't have one, so we're off to a good start.
You and I are the same thing, simple yet we complicate the design. It's working, but I just feel there's a faster way to ride. I can taste it.
Now that I've got all the tops off and drawers off, I'm putting the carcass in here, and I'm going to see whether I've got to move these rails here so they don't hit anything underneath. There's another one up the back there, so just don't want to make sure that you hit anything vital underneath. So I'll measure those up, make sure we're square, put the drawers in, make sure I've got enough room here between the tailgate when it closes, and we'll see how we go. Got to do is move these rails to suit underneath. So I've measured all those. So in here, they're just little Allen key bolts from the other side. So I'll undo those, move them to where we want, throw it in, mark the holes in the tray, and we'll get it mounted. So now I've set the unit back in, and I've marked the faithful holes, just on the ribs there. Use a chalk pen. Now I'll drill through with just a little drill bit and make sure we're not going to foul out on anything, but I've measured and measured again, so we should be good. So I've just unboxed all the wing kit and noticed these new brackets all come with threaded inserts, which is awesome because what I've read and looked at previously, everyone said that you've had to drill your own holes. So these are all done for you. All you have to do is line them up and bolt them through the sides. So, winner. So there's just a little bit of a drama, nothing too controversial. But when I want to go and line this up to get my bolt hole in nice, it's just a little bit offset because it's sitting on that bolt there, so I just need to round out that edge, make it slide down, and it'll be sweet. So you know how I was saying all the holes were pre-drilled? Well, they're a bit off. So I had to clean the holes a little bit on this one to make it fit. And as you can see, I'll line up the two holes here. There ain't no hole there. So, all good. Bit of drilling, bit of mucking, but not too bad. Another thing is, these brackets have slots. Those slots need to go to the front where the drawers slide in. So as long as they're facing that way, happy day. Also, when you put this front one on, you'll have a roller which is in the way to put this screw in. So just got to take that out so you can put that in and then put this back once the bracket's on. So that's one side's brackets on anyway. So I'll do the other side and then we'll try it. So as you can see, all the wings are on. The only thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to tighten all these rollers. So you can see all these, a couple of them are a little bit loose and stuff. So, you know, since they're bulk made and stuff like that, there's going to be bolts that are missed and this and that. So I'll go ahead and tighten them and then, yeah, all good. So you can see up the back here, my wheel arches are too wide for these brackets. So what I'll do is I'll just trim that extra lug off. So then I've only got one screw that's going to go into the top of the bits of ply, just so they can go around those arches. So no big drama, always the way. Cheers. Okay, so now it's in. Sorry about the glare, guys. Just cut those tabs off up the back there. So you can see they'll fit in. So now I'll just bolt it in. The only thing I've done different is I've just bought some lock nuts. They come with nuts and spring washers, but I just sort of get some nylon nuts there and sort that out. So when I get underneath, I'm just going to paint those holes that I've drilled. I'll put a bit of sicker around them and that when I put the nuts and washers up. So, all good, lads. Another tip for you. Just when I'm tightening them up, I'm just laying in an open ender in there. So when the bolt turns down the bottom, it's going to hit the side and it can't spin. So just because I'm doing it by myself. So yeah. So this is all I'm sealing it up with, mate. Just a bit of polyurethane, multi-purpose sealant, and just a bit of old cold gal paint that I had lying around. So I'll seal it up, put a bit of paint on, and she's all sorted down the back. So rightio, all the bolts are in, so I'm just going to put these tops back on and slide the drawers in and then start scribing and cutting the wing kit. So now I've just got to put these nylon stoppers in, rubber stoppers in, stop the drawers falling out. So we'll get them sorted. Trap for young players is don't put the tops on before you put the stops in. I've just done that and had to take the tops off. So all good, we'll sort it out. So this is where your stoppers go in. Just use a drill to drill the carpet out. Because once you slide the drawer in, you got to get those bolts threaded through the carpet and into your rubber stoppers. There is where you put the screws, right in the back corner of the drawer. So a bit hard to see. That's the back end of the drawer. We'll just see if we can get in and have a bit of a look. Yeah. those stoppers in. They were a pain in the butt, but the drawer comes out and stops. So it's the main thing, kids can't pull it out and go ass up. So yeah, have fun with those stoppers, people.
One step
So you can see that the tops are back on, everything opens and closes. So now time to scribe some sides and get them all organised. So with the wing kit, I'm just cutting some templates out of cardboard, making sure they come in, they fit. So allow sort of 5mm each side for your carpet, you know, so it fits. But bit of trimming, bit of playing, all good. Rightio, the cardboard cutouts are all scribed. So all we have to do now is put them onto the timber, cut those, put them in, put the clips on, screws, bits and bobs. Okay, so I've put the template onto the bit of ply. So all I gotta do is trace that, cut those on all 4 pieces, and then we'll carpet them.